Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to upgrade your Hostinger hosting plan. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Now, from this welcoming page and under hosting, click on this manage button next to the hosting plan you want to upgrade. Now, from this left sidebar, look for hosting plan, click on it, then select plan details. From this new page, look for hosting details, and next to it, you will see an upgrade plan button. Click on it, and you will arrive at this upgrading plan page. From this table, I can see my current plan, which is the premium web hosting, and the other plans I can upgrade to from this list. As you can see, since I am on the premium, which is the first plan, I can upgrade to either the business web hosting, cloud enterprise, cloud professional, or cloud startup. And as I select one of these plans, this table gets instantly updated with the current plan details and the selected plan details. Let's select the biggest plan, cloud startup. For example, instead of just 100 websites, I will get the ability to create 300 websites. Same thing for the storage. Instead of 1 gigabyte SSD, I will get 200 gigabyte NVMe and so on. And you can see more details by clicking on this show more button in order to be sure of what you will upgrade to. Let's select just the business. And next to this comparison table, I can see more information about the billing period. Here, I cannot change the 12-month billing period because the current plan is billed every 12 months. Below it, I can select by my payment method, which is this credit card is registered on this account. I can select a different payment method. Let's see what will appear. When you go with a different payment method, here you will see a choose a payment method button instead of completing upgrade payment. Below the payment method, you have the expiration date. By the way, today is January 12, so your expiration date will be, in my case, it will be a full 12 months starting from today. Here is the total I will pay for this business web hosting, but before that, I have some credits or a Hostinger balance. Hostinger balance means the unused days or resources I have on this current plan. I've just got this premium web hosting plan, I think a week ago. So this is why the Hostinger balance is close to what I've paid just a week ago. I think I've paid $33. Below which you can see the coupon code place. If you have a coupon code, you can apply it here. And at the end, you have the amount to pay today, which means the total price for the plan you are upgrading to minus the Hostinger balance. Below this, you have information about when your new plan will be renewed, for example, which means in my case, it's an exact 1 year later, and this is the price per month. After completing your payment, you have 30 days money back guarantee, which means if you are not satisfied with the hosting plan you've upgraded to, you can ask for a refund, which means you will get the amount you've just paid and you will be returned to your current plan or to the previous plan. Below these comparison table and this payment information, you have an FAQ section which responds to important questions like how long does the upgrade take. As you can see, upgrading can take up to a few hours to complete, but it is usually done with just a few minutes. Is the upgrade automatic? Yes, the upgrade is fully automatic. Will there be any data lost? This server will not be transferred while upgrading from a shared to cloud hosting plan. Due to this reason, we do not recommend making any changes to your website within 4 hours after upgrading to avoid missing data. Will my website be down during the upgrade? During the upgrade period, your website will be online and completely functioning. What happens with the current time of my hosting plan? The remaining time of your hosting plan is used to cover part of the upgrade price. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting a website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting a website builder, how to set up and design your website inside hosting a website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. I think this upgrade page is well done, explains all the important thing in a clear way. And this is how, let's continue this tutorial. Now, if I click on complete upgrade payment, I will be automatically, I will upgrade my current plan from premium web hosting to business web hosting, fully automatic. And this is how to upgrade your Hostinger plan. If you still have a question, leave a comment below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.